Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I achieve these passion twists.
So let me just tell you about what comes in the package. So you get 6 packs of hair, 2 hair clips, 1 crochet stick, 4 decorative pieces, 1 mirror, all under $40.
Okay, so I'm gonna talk through this one because I don't know if I'll be able to explain it better later. So I have my hair in the twist, and then so I take it apart, and that middle part is where I put the hair. Okay, so I am taking 2 pieces. So I take it out of here. 1 and 2. And then where it was bent, I tried to align. It's like right here is where it's bent. So I put them together. I put my hands through them, give them some texture, some life. And then I'm going to put it in the middle. Exactly where that bent is, that's what's going exactly in the middle. And then with this hand, I'm holding that part in the middle, and I take this hand and I start twisting in a certain direction. So you can do it either way, but I'm twisting right now away from my face, and then I stop. Then I twist in the same direction, the one on top. So it looks like this. It's in the middle of the hair, and then I can start putting them together. sure you're holding it twisted so that it doesn't come apart. So I'm still holding it pretty tight and making sure that it stays twisted. And then I keep twisting as I turn. Twist and then twist. So it's like double twist. It takes some time to get your hands adjusted to this, but the more you practice, like the first parts, you'll probably, if you've never done it before, won't feel as natural, but the more you do it, you'll feel that it'll be a lot like you're doing it without thinking. So I just twist. And I do that until I don't see my natural hair anymore. And then when I get to here, I just do a regular twist. So just holding it tightly. It does hurt your fingers a little bit because you're trying to hold everything. But sometimes it gets too twisted up here and it hurts. Just let it go and then take it back up again. So you're not pulling out your hair afterwards. So my hair is super moisturized right now with everything that I used. And I feel like this way is a lot better because sometimes when it's wet and then it dries, I don't know, I feel like I can see my hair. But this time I can see what the final results are going to be because my hair is predominantly dry. I have some parts here and there that are a little wet from the twist. But yeah, so now I am done. I don't see my hair anymore. And now I can release a little bit of the tension and just do a regular twist all the way to the end. So now that it's done, it's blended in there and it looks like this. It's not coming out of there. And it just looks so natural. It just blends very nicely in this way. So this is why I like doing it this way instead of using this. But if you like this, you can totally do this and you can do other styles. You can like braid your hair and crochet the twists in, or do the twist and then put them in. So that also works too. Clips. I feel like I would put them on going out. I really like the gold ones, but this is really cool too. This is really cute. It comes with 4 of them. And I will just frame my face. So yeah, just here and there. I like to put my hair in the twist. Don't look at my armpits. But this is how I usually put my hair because I don't really like having hair in my face. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This quick little, this is how I do my hair. I know there's a lot of different tutorials out there and how to do this. But this is just how I do it for me and for my hair type and how I like it, and how I've learned and practiced through the years and how I do it. I like that this hair is super light. So a few things that I like, pros about this hair is 1, the price, because you get 6 packs for $30 and long size and cute little things. 2, I like how lightweight this hair is. 3, it comes with lots of different hair colors, so I think that's really great. I'm obsessed with this color. I've actually never done just straight one color. And yeah, and it's just manageable, super manageable, lightweight, and it's super cute. So yeah, and it's easy to find it on Amazon Prime, 2-day shipping, and you'll have your hairstyle. It's, just depends on how long it takes you to do it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer any questions. And yeah, and if you want to see any updates, how the hair is going, definitely check me out on my Instagram. It's JoyceCurls_. I post there pretty much on the regular since YouTube I have been a little bit of a way, but you can find me on Instagram. I moved over from my J Hill and now I'm just using my JoyceCurls. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care, stay safe, God bless you, and until next time.